Here we are running OSX, Catalina version at the moment, and we would like to change the display properties here to make the fonts and the icons and everything larger. So let's go ahead and go into settings here, the gear at the bottom here, and we'll go to displays, right? And what you would probably already have on is this default for display beside resolution. But if you click on scaled, you'll get a choices of other resolutions. So the higher the numbers, the smaller text and icons, etc., will appear to be on your computer. So let's go ahead and choose something a bit more reasonable for someone who has trouble reading. And we'll go to this one here, 1152 by 720, right? The 640, the one with the 640 is probably too small in terms of not everything like system dialogues or what have you will necessarily fit on a screen that small. Um, you can try it if you really do need to get things much larger, but I would keep the extra little bit of room and go no smaller than 720 would seem to me reasonable under most circumstances, right? So once we've chosen that, you can see that everything kind of popped up and became a bit bigger there. So you can just go ahead and close that and enjoy the new resolution on your Mac OS X machine.